Hi, in this video I'm going to try to set up this Tuya burglar alarm system. Now this is my phone, and first I'm making sure my phone connects to the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, not the 5G. So I'm going to connect this one. Connected, then go to my run Tuya app. And here I'm going to plus and choose the security, and I suppose I'm going to choose the alarm system. Well, it is. I'm not very convenient. I'm not very familiar with this. I cannot find it. Kitchen, alarm, Wi-Fi, and here also the password must be correct. And the next, I suppose I need to turn on the alarm panel. And here is the power switch. Switch it on. Welcome. Runs pretty fast. Let's go to the menu, I suppose. What should I do? What's this?
System disarmed. System armed. System disarmed.
Oh, check menu. Wi-Fi. Airlink config. Reset Wi-Fi. Now I'm going to configure it. Now let's go to the Tuya app. Next. Oh, it automatically found the alarm host. So trying to configure it. Okay, next. Oh, so very fast and very convenient. Alarm host almost do nothing, just input the Wi-Fi password. Then this device, a security device with alarm notification. Cancel it anyway. Now, so this is it. I suppose I can on this one, right?
System armed.
System armed.
System disarmed.
So disarmed. So yeah, and going to the. Okay, that's it. Anyway.